Arcturian chord alchemy, compassionate closure and sacred relationship hygiene. PNL, biodecoding. Numerology, Arcturian and Buddhist philosophy. Christic unity consciousness, beloved luminous being. The field brightens as threads of memory shimmer in sapphire and rose gold. Every bond carries music, lesson, and season. When a season completes, chords transform rather than vanish. The Arcturian current teaches precise compassion. Buddhist clarity removes grasping. Christic love softens edges without collapse. PNL trains the nervous system to speak truth with calm rhythm. Biodecoding listens to tissues where old vows still echo. Numerology tunes cycles for clean endings and radiant new beginnings. Your relationships become sanctuaries where honesty and tenderness circulate as one song. 1. Principle of chords and contracts. Chords are living channels of attention, emotion, and exchange. Some chords nourish like rivers, some chords drain like leaks. Soul contracts are agreements between consciousnesses to learn, create, or restore balance. Completion is not rejection. Completion is accurate love. Arcturian hygiene follows 4 pillars: presence, permission, precision, prayer. Presence stabilizes breath and voice. Permission honors all beings involved. Precision edits what continues and what concludes. Prayer seals the field in unity, nourishing chord. Reciprocity, respect, joy. Dissonant chord, confusion, fatigue, resentment. Expired chord, lesson complete, energy stagnant. Predatory chord, boundary breaks, manipulation patterns. The body senses each category long before the mind writes stories. Trust the quiet signals. 2. PNL protocol, blue-gold chord reset. Install a stable state for edits, endings, and re-agreements. 1. State elicitation. Recall a moment of clear kindness. Shoulder blades soften, jaw releases, spine lengthens. Notice color, temperature, and weight. 2. Anchor install. Touch thumb and middle finger. Whisper in the sternum. Blue-gold chord reset online. 3. Timeline frame. See the relationship as a path with seasons. Spring initiation, summer creation, autumn harvest, winter rest. Acknowledge the current season without drama. 4. Swish upgrade. Visualize an old scene of leakage. Desaturate and move it 2 meters away. Replace with a bright image where breath is steady, words are simple, and edges are kind. Whoosh the new image across the inner screen. Repeat 5 times. 5. Future rehearsal. Speak 1 sentence from clean power. This cycle completes with gratitude. Our exchange continues with these boundaries. I bless your path and walk mine. 6. Activation. Press the anchor before messages, calls, or rituals. Deliver lines slowly with warm eyes and low shoulders. The nervous system learns that clarity equals safety. Endings stop feeling like violence and begin to feel like accurate artistry. Lightworkers 3. Biodecoding map. Where chords speak in the body, throat and jaw. Unspoken no and diluted yes. Ritual, warm water, humming, gentle jaw release. Affirmation. My word is clean and kind. Liver and eyes. Resentment from self-betrayal. Practice. Slow twists. Soft gaze to horizon. Affirmation. I choose fair agreements. Pancreas and stomach. Anxiety around endings. Practice. Hand on belly, 3 to 6 to 9 breath, simple soups. Affirmation. I digest change at a humane pace. Lower back and hips. Carrying others beyond vow. Practice. Knees to chest and rocking. Affirmation. I carry only what I vowed with love. Skin. Porous boundaries, ritual, sea salt bath or foot soak. Affirmation. My membrane filters with wisdom. A tiny bodily kindness often unlocks a large relational correction. Datsatur 4. Numerology keys for closure and renewal. Bulk 1. New vow. I lead my attention with clarity. 2. Harmony. I honor cooperation without self-erase. 3. Expression. I name truth with artistry. 4. Structure. I design boundaries that breathe. 5. Change. I adapt with grace. Care. I steward hearts with edges. 7. Wisdom. I contemplate before I commit. 8. Reciprocity. Value circulates with fairness. 9. Completion. I close cycles with gratitude. 11. Intuition. I trust subtle alignment. 22. Master builder. I craft agreements that last. 33. Christic compassion. I serve without collapse. Trace the chosen number on the wrist before conversations. The body receives the code. 5. Buddhist clarity and Christic forgiveness. Non-grasping and loving kindness release knots without blame. Forgiveness becomes precision rather than permission for harm. Compassion bows to truth. Christic warmth seals the edit in unity consciousness. The heart stays open while the door changes direction. The field learns that endings can sing. 6. Everyday stories of compassionate closure. Story 1. Mara checked messages at midnight to rescue everyone. Skin flared and sleep fractured. She installed the blue gold anchor and a reply window. She sent a closure line for late-night threads. Evening softened. Clients respected the temple. Joy returned. Story 2. Diego kept an old collaboration alive out of guilt. Lower back ached. He scheduled a completion call with the 9 code, offered a handover doc and a blessing. Pain eased. A new aligned project arrived within 1 moon cycle. Story 3. Leah ended a romance with honesty and prayer. She used the cord ritual and a 3-day silence window. Heart rate normalized. Creativity bloomed. Their goodbye matured into genuine goodwill. Dakaram. 7. Violet gold cord clearing ritual. Tools. Candle, bowl of water with a pinch of sea salt, a thin ribbon or thread, scissors, and a small bell. Steps. 1. Ground through the soles. Breathe. 3, 6, 19. 2. Hold the ribbon as a symbol of the shared cord. Speak 3 lines. I honor what we lived. I release what drains. I keep what blesses. 3. Visualize a violet flame around the ribbon and a gold veil around your body. 4. Cut the ribbon slowly while exhaling. Ring the bell once. 5. Place the 2 pieces in the water bowl. Whisper. The lesson integrates. 6. Thank the path and pour the water to the earth. 7. Close with the sign of infinity over the heart. Use for expired or dissonant chords. For nourishing chords, skip the cut and polish the channel with breath, boundaries, and gratitude. 8. Closure and boundary. Templates without questions. Completion. This cycle completes with gratitude and learning. New frame. Our exchange continues inside these hours and terms. Redirection. This request sits outside my container, and I bless you to find a better match. Silence window. I am offline until morning and will reply during my window. Goodwill. I respect your path and release shared roles. Language becomes a gentle blade that prunes without harm. 9. Digital cord hygiene. Archive threads that reopen old patterns. Mute reactive groups until review day. Create reply windows and autoresponders that match your nervous system. Unfollow inputs that trigger self-betrayal. Keep receipts of kindness for tough days in a D Goodwill folder. Digital boundaries protect sleep, art, and love. 10. 9-day compassionate closure plan. Day 1. Blue gold anchor install and breath practice. Day 2. Inventory of chords with simple categories. Nourish, edit, complete. Day 3. Biodecoding care for throat, liver, and belly. Day 4. Draft boundary and closure lines. Day 5. Violet gold ritual for 1 expired chord. Day 6. Schedule changes in calendar and systems. Day 7. Gratitude gestures to mentors or allies. Day 8. Silence window and nature walk. Day 9. Celebration tea and journal integration. Repeat monthly or seasonally. Rhythm writes safety. Number 11. The 30-day Heart Coherence Garden. Week 1. Breath and voice rituals. Week 2. Order and beauty in shared spaces. Week 3. Agreements and calendars refreshed. Week 4. Generosity and creative play. One micro act daily becomes a forest of calm. Dakar. 12. Breath and somatic release for endings. 4, 7, 8. Before messages. Vegas Hame. After tough calls. Cranial cradle. 1 minute to signal safety. Pelvic figure 8s. To release attachment in hips. Eye softening. Toward horizon to update future maps. Endings become physiology, not drama. The body thanks you with sleep and focus. Dagat Dasar 13. Ancestral reconciliation for relationship patterns. Light a candle and place a bowl of water. Speak slowly. I honor the courage in my lineage. I return fears and vows that are not mine. I carry forward the song of respect. Draw a rose gold cross or an infinity sign over the water. Pour to the earth with gratitude. The line relaxes. Your choices brighten. Zakir 14. Money and contract closure. Clear invoices before ritual endings. Offer fair credits or handovers when aligned. Add sunset clauses to clones, licenses or collaborations. Archive with labels and gratitude lines. The wealth field respects endings that respect people. Professor 15. Hexagate seal for relationships. Visualize a 6-pointed star around your body. Place qualities at each point. Truth, compassion, clarity, courage, joy, reverence. Let the star rotate gently clockwise. Whisper. My edges are kind and clear. My heart stays open. My path is precise. Step forward into the day. 16. Affirmations of clean power. My yes is radiant. My no is loving. My time is sacred. My body is wise. My exchange is fair. My endings are blessings. My beginnings are calm. My life sings with coherence. Dawekat under 17. Codes for navigation. 111. Lead your attention. 22. Stabilize rhythms. 33. Express with artistry. 44. Build breathable boundaries. 45. Adapt with grace. 66. Steward the heart. 777. Trust aligned timing. 888. Circulate reciprocity. 999. Complete and bless. Trace today's code on the wrist before conversations. The body remembers the vow. Nosh. 18. Closing benediction. Hands on heart. Eyes soft. Breath steady. Visualize a soft aurora of sapphire. Golden rose around your chest. Whisper. I bless what remains. I release what drains. I honor all paths. I walk with kind strength. I rest in the one heart. So it is. Tapdarasa daily seal. I embody compassionate closure. My cords carry clarity. My agreements protect love. My endings bless beginnings. My life becomes a coherent song.